Hi, I'm Murteza.
My name is Mina.
And I'm Farzad. We are the co-founders of the PANTOhealth. We are offering predictive maintenance for railway industry. Without electrified train, achieving climate change goals is impossible.
Our AI prediction engine uses synthetic data in addition to monitored data. We use a simulation software and a monitoring hardware. And at the end, our AI engine combines this data to predict the upcoming problems.
There are many benefits from K.I.E.Z. Working alongside other innovative startups and receiving invaluable feedbacks from our mentors are just some of them.